very satisfied that the jury saw the case as we saw it, no sexual intent whatsoever.
Aaron Thomas avoids a felony sex crimes conviction, the most serious, walking away with just misdemeanors in the end. And that is essentially a win for him, even if not altogether. Hello again, everybody. I'm Gene Valicenti.
And I'm Patrice Wood. The jury apparently did not see proof that there was sexual intent. NBC 10's Gabrielle Caracciolo has been following this every step of the way. She joins us live from Washington County Court. Gabrielle?
This verdict means that Aaron Thomas will not have to register as a sex offender. That's a win for Thomas and his defense team. The prosecution, on the other hand, says this proves there's a need for a longer statute of limitations.
Not guilty, guilty, not guilty, guilty.
A 6-week trial ends with a split verdict. Aaron Thomas is not guilty of felony sex crimes, but is convicted of battery, all stemming from an athletic testing program the former teacher and coach ran at North Kingstown High School for decades.
They came away not guilty on the 2 counts that count. All right, it's the other 2 counts. If the jury wanted to find that it was an offensive or unwanted contact, so be it.
Former students testified they got naked alone in the coach's office. They say he'd touched their upper inner thigh near the groin. Prosecutors argued there had to be sexual intent, bringing in experts to say there was no other reason for the testing. But the defense maintained Thomas wanted to help the athletes, and while inappropriate, it wasn't sexual.
But we'd like to thank the jury for their attention, their hard work, and for their verdict. We are very satisfied that the jury saw the case as we saw it, no sexual intent whatsoever.
The Attorney General's office says if the statute of limitations for second-degree sexual assault had been 10 years rather than 3, Thomas would have faced many more charges. In a statement telling the victims who came forward, the verdict doesn't invalidate their exceptional courage. Leaving the courthouse, Thomas didn't speak.
I fully expect you'll hear from Aaron at sentencing.
His sentencing for those 2 guilty verdicts of misdemeanor battery is scheduled for June, the defense opting to allow the jury a choice of the lesser charge. What was the strategy? Why did you decide to do that?
Because the jury needed a compromise. The jury needed an alternative charge, and that alternative charge was battery, and that's exactly what they compromised on.
And this really seemed to come down to the jury finding it was not proven beyond a reasonable doubt that Thomas was doing this touching of the upper inner thigh for sexual purposes. Now, they sat through 19 days of testimony and arguments in this trial, having been selected at the first week in April. As they exited court today, none of them had any comment. Live in Wakefield, Gabrielle Caracciolo, NBC 10 News.